welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Destiny. I do makeup and lifestyle videos and fashion, so if you would like to see that type of thing, you know, please subscribe. And let's just get into the video. Today I'm going to be doing a celebrity makeup look recreation. Yeah, that's a long title, but it is what it is. And I kind of want to make this like a series on my channel, but for the first one I wanted to do a look that Rina Sawayama was pictured in. If you don't know who Rina Sawayama is, she is a music artist. I would label her more of like pop, a little bit of like techno type of thing, I don't know, but yeah, her album is great. I love her, I listen to her a lot, and you know, I saw this look and I was just like, wow, I want to do that because I want to start playing in color. I feel I don't use a lot of color in like my everyday life. Like honestly, I probably don't even wear like eyeshadow like that in my everyday life, but when I do, you best believe I'm gonna pull out that brown, I'm gonna pull out that cream, I'm gonna pull out that purple. Purple's like my limit of color. I love a purple, I love a pink, but like other colors I rarely go out in, so I want to try and play with them. I feel like it's gonna be fun, and you know, it's Sunday, I just want to play in makeup, you know, cute or whatever. So I'm gonna put the picture up here of the look so you guys can see, you know, exactly like what I'm trying to recreate, and you can see what I'm trying to do while I'm doing it. So yeah, let's just get started. I have my base on. I just have my foundation, my concealer, some powder, and then my eyebrows. And I just put some concealer on my eyelids with some powder just to like act as a primer. So what I noticed here in this look, it's very simple like for the eyeshadow, but I was trying to look for a color that I have that's similar to the one she's wearing. Now I have this Makeup Revolution Bratz palette. It's the Sasha palette. I got this from Marshall's solely because it's the Bratz and because it's Sasha. Like, hello, it's Sasha. But I never expected to use it just because the colors are kind of like, the colorway is like, you really wouldn't use this, I don't think. At least I wouldn't normally. But I was looking at this color Camo here, and that looks like a pretty good like match for the color that she's wearing in this photo. The only thing is I'm looking at the actual picture a little more, and like I first thought it was just a one shadow look. Like she just has like a wash of glittery lime colored shadow on her lid, but then in her like outer corner, like right here, she's got some kind of like olive deeper color going on, which is a little bit funny. I'm kind of trying to figure out what this look is, but give me a second, I'm gonna find a darker color. So I was looking at my eyeshadows, and I have the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, which is another one of my favorites. I don't think I have any color that's like super similar to the one that she's wearing, but I have this Bless Her Heart shade right here. That's like a deeper green, so hopefully that'll work. I don't know. We'll see, girl. I don't know. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just like literally wash. I'm gonna take Camo, the color Camo, and I'm just gonna like do a wash over my lid. I wet my brush, and now it's looking better, yeah, because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's not showing up at all. Now I have to make sure I'm looking at the placement of where her color is. So she pretty much has it all over the lid and then up into the crease. So I'm gonna do the same, and I'm just gonna, while this is like a simple looking look, because I have to go in and do like a foiling type of situation with like the wet brush and all of that, it's gonna take me a while. So thank you, Rina. Nah, I'm playing. I need a big old brush. See, we got the paintbrush out, girl. We're not playing, I mean business. I'm gonna take the same color, and I'm just gonna like take like a fluffy brush and just blend it out at the edge, because hers looks a little bit diffused towards like her crease, and I don't want such a stark line. I don't want to look crazy. She doesn't look crazy, so I don't want to look crazy. And you know, why would you want to look crazy in general? So yeah, What I will do, I might get one of these shades that's like close to the color of my skin tone and just kind of use it as like a crease, like a blending shade, just very little bit. I'm gonna go in with the color Sage from what the hell is this, Lime Crime, and we're just gonna see. It's not gonna look the same, but whatever. Yeah, mine doesn't look the same as hers, but it's okay. I don't have the same stuff. I'm not a millionaire. Like, I don't know if she's a millionaire, but I'm not rich like her, so. It's gonna have to do, bro. It's gonna have to do. But honestly, it doesn't look bad. Like, does it look exactly like hers? No. But does it look bad? No. When I saw this look, I was like, oh my gosh, that's perfect because I have a blush that looks just like that. And it doesn't look crazy on me. It's pink, but it doesn't look crazy on me. So, this is the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. This is like a powder and cream blush duo. What shade is this? Marvelous. Like mauve the color. So that's that. And I'm gonna put the cream. I might double it up just because her blush is so apparent. But yeah, she's got hers going on like her cheekbone and then up. So I'm gonna do the same, which is nice because I also like that look as well. I think that's enough. That's enough. Okay. So let's do this side the same. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this like smaller brush. The only thing I don't like about this duo is that they're so close. Like the cream and the powder are so close that you have to like really like squeeze your brush to get in there. But I'm just gonna apply the powder on top just to really set that in. Because the cream is beautiful on its own, but it does end up not as pigmented as like the powder blush, I think. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna powder the rest of my face and fix up some of the blush, and then I'm gonna come back to do the lips, and you will see me with the mascara on as well. Oh! Why does this always happen to me? Like I'll be putting on mascara and it hasn't dried, and then I accidentally blink, and then it does this. It's giving raccoon, it's giving crazy deranged woman, which like in some ways that could be good, you know. Sometimes you want to give off crazy deranged woman, but not all the time. I'm looking and I'm kind of like, do I like it or do I not? Like, I don't know. It's cute, but also crazy. I've never seen myself like looking like this, so it's kind of weird. But it could be cute. It's cute. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this mascara that's underneath my eyes to dry so I can clean it up and move on with the lips. Y'all, so I'm back. I put mascara on my lashes, and I also did my bottom lashes, which I normally don't do, but I noticed it looks like she did it, or whoever did her makeup did it, so I did it too. But while I don't think she has any bronzer or contour on, I need some because I look pale. So I'm gonna put some just like around my face, like the perimeter of my face, just to warm stuff up, because I think it's the foundation that I use. It's giving pale. But I'm not gonna put any on my cheeks just so I don't like disturb the blush, because she clearly like only had blush. Now we know Rina is light and I am brown, so I can't exactly do the same color that she did. It's like a rosy pink type of tone. What I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna use, oh my gosh, I'm gonna use my Colourpop X Sailor Moon like ultra blotted lip. This is in the shade Usagi or Usagi. I don't know, bro. I never watched Sailor Moon, but I thought the collection was cute. But yeah, I'm gonna use that. But I'm gonna take this Jordana like colored pencil. I've been going to my internship too much. I'm over here talking about colored pencils, girl. Anyway, so yeah, this is the lip liner in Hot Cocoa. I'm just gonna use this to like lightly line my lips so that I don't look entirely too crazy. I'm just gonna line the outside. I'm not gonna go all the way into my lip, just like the corners basically. And just gonna nudge it so that it blends in. And then I thought this was great because it looked like the lip color she had was like a nice blotted lip color. It wasn't too pigmented. So I thought this color was great because it's a ultra blotted lip is what it's called. I'm gonna do some more setting spray because one, I just love setting spray and I feel like I look a little funny. Alright you guys, so this is my finished look. What do you think? This is, you know, how she looked. This is how I look. I think I recreated it pretty like spot on as best as I could. And yeah, I put my own little spin on it, I guess you could say. So yeah, would I wear this look? Yes and no. Let me just sum up of what I was babbling about the whole time. Basically, I think the look is cute. I would do the eyeshadow again, but I wouldn't necessarily pair it with like this blush and this lip color. I feel like it's cute. They're all cute on their own. Like the eyeshadow's cute. It's good for like I would do this look again, you know. The blush is good for honestly any type of makeup look you're doing, and the lip color, I'm not offended by it. It's not bad. But yeah, anyway, so that is the end of the video. And then of course, what I thought I would do at the end, I have a surprise for you guys. It's not really a surprise, but whatever. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I thought it would be funny because she's wearing, as you guys can see in the photo, she's wearing a black like corset strapless top. I don't have any of that. I have corsets, but they're not black. So I went and put this scarf on as a top to just be like, oh, you know, it's me, Rina. It looks so silly, oh my gosh. But yeah, just to be authentic, you know, just to be authentic to the photo. So yeah, now we have the final look done. I have my little orange headband to go with the orange feathers that's on her top. It's giving, is it not? I think it does. But yeah, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I certainly did. I will definitely be doing this like eyeshadow again. I think it's really cute. And yeah, let me know if you guys like on Instagram, if you guys have any celebrities that like you'd like me to recreate a look from next, because I do want to make it a series on my channel. I think it'd be really fun. And then also we could just add in stuff like this where I just like try to recreate the outfit a little bit as well. I think that could be fun. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Nobody says that anymore, but you know, whatever. And yeah, bye.